Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. This time I'm going to try something that it was suggested by a subscriber, Christian. Thanks Christian, because as soon as I saw his message asking me what it would do, well, I have to say that I just ran over here to try it. At first, I'm going to be frank with you, I wanted to try it maybe on the side without filming it, but then I thought about it, and as you know, every experience we do together. So we'll see what happens. A suggestion, which I'm not sure we did try it before, but I don't think so. He was asking what would happen if we put some silicone on the canvas before putting over it our paint, our acrylic paint. It's an interesting question, and well, you know how much I want to know everything, so I hope it's going to do something that it's interesting, but I think it will. At the base of it all, we know that it's going to make some sales, but how it's going to work, and if the acrylic, is it going to stock well on the canvas, all question we're going to answer. So let's go try it and come back at the end, we'll talk about it. So guys, I think the result is great, and as you saw, I did let the camera roll for a while when I did finish it, but of course, as I'm talking to you, it's not dry, of course, but there's a lot of things happening, like we did suspected. There's a lot of cells that are created, but how is the acrylic gonna stick or stuck to the canvas? I'm not sure, we'll see once it's dry, but up to now the result is great. The look is very special, and it's a lot less work than when we put the silicone in our acrylic beforehand. I think that's, if everything goes well and it's stuck on the canvas, I think it's a nice technique to go at it. And I think for me it's quite interesting. As you saw, as maybe you saw, I didn't move a lot around my canvas once the acrylic was over it, because I wanted to leave it as is, as much as possible, so that we could see really what's going to happen between the reaction with the acrylic and the silicone. Since we know what's going to happen for the cells, but we don't know how it's going to stick and exactly how it's going to respond. We're not sure. I had some doubts that maybe it would leave open in some places without acrylic, and we could see what was under it. And of course, as you saw, it's a recycling. It's an old painting that I made and I didn't like, really not. So I put some gesso on it beforehand. So I'm not sure what's going to happen, if it's going to have an effect between every product because of the gesso. I don't think so. It's not supposed to, but we never know. We'll see what happens. So guys, I hope you did enjoy it. I hope you're going to try it. As you see it now, for you it's dry, so you're going to have a best idea of if you like it or not, if you're going to try it or not. Well, you'll be the judge. Like we always say, it's subjective, so we'll see. I hope you like it. I hope, like I said, you're going to try it. Recycle, that's the best way to do it. Recycle an old painting. So guys, like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next video. Take care guys. Ciao.